If you're looking for a recipe that's as tasty as it is cute, this recipe's for you.
It looks good. Looking at it and it looks good.
Does it look adorable though?
It's cute.
Does it look super cute?
It looks super cute, super yummy, super delicious. I want it. That was a lot of supers.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Okay, this one is a mouthful. Let's see if I can get it right. It's smoked blueberry cream stuffed French toast.
Ooh.
Okay, I got it.
Okay, she did it. She got it. This is like, oh my goodness. I can't wait to see how you make these, honey.
It's a mouthful, but it's super easy. So it all starts with fresh blueberries. Could you use frozen here? Yeah, 100% could.
I love frozen because then they're available when you need them. You don't have to worry about them going bad before you want them.
Totally.
That's why I buy them.
And they create like their own little juice.
Yes, they do.
But these ones, I went with fresh because I had fresh. So this is for the smoked blueberry syrup. It sounds fancy, it sounds complicated, but it is super easy. It's just sugar, lemon zest, blueberries, and then they're going into the Ninja Woodfire grill.
Ooh. Now I'm surprised you didn't wear a blue dress here. You've got a cute little red dress on. It looks like a picnic table.
I thought this was going with it. It looks like that would go, it looks like the top of a jam lid, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, it does.
It does. I tried for you and it wasn't good enough.
You look cute, honey. You do. You look. You're like. It's like a picnic table. Picnic. What is that called?
Tablecloth.
Thank you.
Okay. I don't know if I want to look like a tablecloth, but it kind of does.
Okay. So you got your wood pellets in there.
Yes. I remembered this time to make this a smoked recipe. So we're cooking on the Ninja Woodfire grill. You're gonna set it up to the smoke function, and you're gonna raise the temperature up to 400 because we want this to be super quick. We're not trying to go low and slow here. We just want the smoke flavor adding to the syrup here.
And not a ton.
No.
Like you don't want really smoky
it didn't
blueberry.
actually make it really smoky, surprisingly.
Okay. So not a lot of blueberries either.
No, this is a 1 pint. So then it goes into the grill, 15 minutes. My mind was blown. Look at this.
You could just eat that with a spoon.
Oh, you definitely could.
Put it on some ice cream, put on some yogurt.
Okay, so I wanted it to come down to a thicker consistency, so I left it on the grill for 25 minutes total.
Mm-hmm.
You could have taken it off at 15, but I didn't want it to be super like liquidy here.
Ooh, I like your bun choice. You got some nice buns there.
Oh. Yeah, so these are King's Hawaiian rolls. I'm obsessed with them. They're here in Canada, and I've been cooking with them ever since they got here.
They smell incredible. They have that smell where you just want to like mash one into your face. They smell so good.
You know that's good when you want to smear it into your face.
Yeah, it's like you could use those are sweet and savory, but they smell very sweet to me.
Now this recipe is definitely finicky. There's a lot of different steps because we're gonna be tearing the rolls apart here and then hollowing them out in a little square.
I don't like that.
Why?
I
hate a lot
finicky,
of steps.
Yeah, I hate finicky stuff. Like
yeah, but it's fun.
with the knife and
it's
getting out the
easy.
inside. Oh my! Like, why don't you just cut it down the middle and put it in? Why do you have to scoop out the center like that?
Okay, anyway, moving on. That's because this is my recipe and that's what I did, okay? I'm sorry, it doesn't get easier than that. You cut a square, you hollow it out with your hands. It doesn't take any special equipment.
Now, how many of those squares did you eat?
A lot.
I would be eating every square. I would just take it out right into my mouth.
Yeah, what's wrong with that?
No, and that's like a little crouton.
Don't waste it.
Yeah, you could make those into croutons
Okay,
too.
so then like get your fingers in there and press it down, okay? So like you're basically just pushing it down so you can fit the cream in there.
Ooh.
So you're just gonna do this for each of the rolls, and this is a thing to do when the smoked blueberry sauce is just cooling. See, look.
You can't not. That bread is so pillowy.
You gotta get right in there.
That's not a giant square. You don't want too much filling in there.
No.
Like
okay, so even though it's a small square, I blasted those with the filling.
So this would be the equivalent of like if you were to fill a donut. You're like it's kind of the same thing. Like you know that like when
yes,
in like
exactly.
Tim Hortons. How Canadian is that I'm talking about Tim Hortons? But like
Love
when
it.
they have that machine that you put the
Yes.
donuts in.
It's
That's
the
what that's
same
reminding
thing.
me of. It's
It's
like a
just by
filled donut.
hand.
But it's it's a roll.
Okay, so then this is where the French toast component comes into it. So you're just gonna make your French toast custard basically that we all know and love. You got your eggs, you got your cream, you got your cinnamon. Mix it all up, and then you're gonna put each of the little rolls into the mixture.
This is gonna be good.
How is that not gonna be incredible?
That's gonna be so good.
You know that's a winner.
And you know what? I feel like that's easier than stuffed French toast because that whole thing is one big piece.
Exactly.
That is, because stuffed French toast, you have to fiddle with 2 pieces of bread, get them to stick together, then put it in the eggs. Like, that little ball is that little tiny little roll is just holding together on its own. So that I take it
Plus,
back.
we're baking these. We're not putting them individually into a frying pan. So like, you know how like when you're making French toast and you're making it for a crowd usually, you gotta wait till they come out of the frying pan, then you serve them up. This entire thing goes into the oven. It comes out at the same temperature, ready to serve everybody. That's what I love about it.
I think that is way better too because I can't stand standing over a pan for 18 hours like making pancakes or French toast.
Totally. That's the only downside to making that. So then now we're going in with a whole pack of cream cheese because this is now we're working on the smoked blueberry cream cheese.
Ooh.
Okay, so now we're putting in that beautiful smoked blueberry syrup. It's not a syrup. I don't know why I keep calling it a syrup.
Yeah, I was getting confused. I'm like, where's the syrup coming into
Well,
here?
it kind of is like a syrupy texture, but it's smoked blueberry sauce basically.
It's like a jam.
It's like a jam.
It is a jam.
It's not a syrup. It's a jam.
It's not at all a syrup.
Look at that color.
That I would want to eat that with a spoon.
I want to dress that's that color.
Yeah, that is a gorgeous color.
Okay, so this is also what I do. I know many people have specific piping bags in their kitchen repertoire. I don't. Okay?
How do you wash that?
Exactly. I like a Ziploc bag. You stuff it in there, you cut the side, you pipe in, you throw it out. That's my kind of style.
Yeah, I think that is a lot easier.
A lot of licking.
She's tasting all the components. You got to taste the components.
Yes. Okay, now you're probably like, that is a lot of filling there, but I'm not going stingy in these rolls.
To me, it does look like it's going to work out to the perfect amount.
I
wouldn't say it's too much.
It did. It totally did. So then now you're just going to start piping them in nice and easy.
Ooh.
Look at how cute that is.
That looks so good. I wouldn't really say it's cute.
Excuse me?
It looks delicious, but it doesn't really, what's cute about that?
I find them absolutely adorable. Look at like the color, the fact that they're mini, they're tiny. You could serve this at a brunch. You could serve it at a shower, a wedding shower, a baby shower.
I feel like if you had like sprinkles on it, it would be cute. Wow.
Now I wish I got sprinkles.
Yeah, like sprinkles make things cute.
Yeah, but that doesn't go with French toast.
No, it doesn't. Well, sprinkles go with everything.
Yeah.
I'll be damned if I'm gonna sit here and let you speak ill of sprinkles.
Okay, so then now we're gonna set up the Ninja Woodfire grill to bake these, okay? So we set up the grill, let that thing preheat. They're going into like as I said, in the pan. So it's coming out the same temp, it's coming out perfectly golden brown. I took the extra step here. I saved some fresh blueberries and popped them on the top. Now, is that part adorable?
That is. It's like the cherry on top, but the blueberry on top.
Totally.
That's
totally.
really cute.
I think that makes it look like extra cute.
Yes. So that was the full pack of the rolls. This could feed a crowd.
Yes, it was the full pack of the rolls, a full pack of cream cheese. You know, I love a recipe that uses everything.
Me too.
A full pint of blueberries.
Okay.
So it's like use everything, which I love.
Now, how good did this smell?
It smelled righteous. Okay, the neighborhood was probably like, what the heck is that? It smells like slightly smoky, but it also smells fruity. Look at how gorgeous these came off the grill, golden brown. You gotta sprinkle a little bit of powdered sugar on the top.
I love the powdered sugar addition. That's what makes it diner to me. No one
doesn't need sprinkles.
No, it doesn't. I take it back. No one does that unless you're in like a diner, like an IHOP or a Denny's. That's when you see like the powdered sugar on French toast.
I heard IHOP is coming to Ajax, baby.
What?
Yes, I did.
Let's go.
IHOP to Canada, baby.
That giant burger we used to eat there. No, that was Denny's. No, I'm getting them confused.
I love all the diners. I'm not opposed to any diner, but does that not look spectacular?
That looks incredible. That's a lot of filling.
That's not stingy.
No.
That's not stingy. It's not like one of those jelly donuts you bite through and you bite past the jelly.
It's like a tablespoon of jelly. That looks perfect.
No, this was absolutely incredible. Creamy. It was fruity because of the blueberries. Not too sweet. You might look at this and be like, there's a lot of sweetness. It wasn't super sweet and it wasn't super smoky. Everyone is going to love this one.
I love that about the Ninja Woodfire, that it doesn't, when you're making fruit in there, it does somehow offer the perfect level of smokiness.
Agreed.
It's not too much. It's enough to know it's there, but it's not overpowering. It's not like you're having ribs in a dessert.
Yes, not at all. And I feel like Now I can't have French toast regularly. I gotta have it like this.
Yeah, French toast on its own is boring compared to this.
I totally agree. Now you gotta make this recipe. Go get yourself some King's Hawaiian rolls. Go get yourself a pack of cream cheese, a pint of bloobs, and make this weekend.
Except please put some sprinkles on for me. I would appreciate it.
Fine, I'm not gonna be against, I don't know why I'm saying I'm against sprinkles here. I love sprinkles.
You are a sprinkle. If Maddie was
Okay,
if Maddie was anything like a candy, would she not be a sprinkle?